if you're experiencing FPS drops on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, then select System, and choose System Update. Download and install any available updates. Step 2. Close background applications. Sometimes, background applications can affect performance. Press the Home button, then navigate to the game you want to play, highlight it, and press the X button to close any unnecessary applications. Step 3. Adjust display settings. Lowering the brightness and disabling features like motion blur can help improve performance. Go to System Settings, then select Screen Brightness and adjust accordingly. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve performance issues. Go to System Settings, select Data Management, then choose Save Data Cloud Backup and select the option to clear cache for specific games. Step 5. Reboot the console. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve performance issues. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select Power Options, and then choose Restart. This can help refresh the system and improve FPS. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's performance. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.